Yeah, see, that was pia mater. It was peeling away. Did you see that thin film? It was peeling away from the surface. This is all shiny pia mater there. Yeah. The probe is actually under the pia mater now. A very, very shiny thin film. So now I've got these mid-sagittal views here. Central canal, spinal cord. There's the medulla. There's the pons. This would be right cerebral peduncle. There is the cerebral aqueduct. Cerebellum with the arbor vitae, the white matter tracts, the pale branches that you see. Arbor vitae, fourth ventricle. In here, right there is fourth ventricle. Let's see. Corpora quadrigemina. So there is the right superior. Whoops, pull this down. Right superior colliculus, right inferior colliculus. These two bulges are the right side bulges. There's the pineal body here. There's the intermediate mass of the thalamus. Here is the third ventricle, and I do believe I see choroid plexus. Yep, that's choroid plexus being yanked out of the third ventricle. Shove it back in. This is the right fornix. There is the corpus callosum. So this is the right septum pellucidum membrane. Let's tear that. It goes back a bit. And so there should be a choroid plexus in there as well. I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to assign for the sheep brain.